what is that? What out of many things that you really acknowledge Mira for?
So Mira, as her name stands, is actually my era. And when I say my era, in a true spirit and meaning, stands for many things. And among the many things, when I really look into, what stands out is she is a multi-talented personality. That is a starting observation. So it's not that I need to be scouting for one. She has been a successful professional. She is really driving very passionately a very important software development quality agenda, making a big platforms really created for the organizations. And she is known as a taskmaster. At the same time, she is really connector of the heart. So the people love her for her ability to mobilize them and actually achieve a very high quality delivery. So she is a real executor and a person who is exuberant in terms of creating that value from a point A to point B. I see her really enjoying her life and taking it easy rather than being trying to put many things in a particular way which is prescribed or is to be really run. So in that sense, she is living her day by moment, and she is a person who is responsible and taking herself, putting her in terms of a complete ownership. So you can rely upon her. So as her name stands, Mira, she is bringing in all those quality and characteristics in her. And the most important part is she has got an appreciation for appreciation. What I mean by that is people do not really understand what is appreciation. And at times they really look at with a lenses and evaluate that appreciation, whether it is genuine, not genuine thing. So she appreciates and then give those kind of an attention which is really required in that situation or a moment. So being a great person, a pure soul, are few of the things which makes me really happy that I have got my soulmate who is really the right partner which God has given, and then together we are working and making my life better, and in whichever way I could be of help to her and contribute to make her life better. So together we are actually progressing to fulfill a larger purpose of life. Is what is the journey which we are traveling.
क्या बात है. Superb, very well said, Jitendra ji. Thank you for being so open and acknowledging Mira. Mira, what would you want to acknowledge Jitendra ji for?
His value systems is immense. So what I love about Jitendra is he is one person who is always respecting the needs, wants, desires of others. Be it me, be it others in the family or even outside family, his colleagues, his friends, he is a fantastic person. I tell my son Om that to be a gentleman, one person you should look up to is your father. He is a thorough gentleman, an absolutely thorough gentleman. He is very patient, very composed, and a wonderful human being. So the things that I have learned from him is, we are from the north, and the north typically it's a male-dominated family. The males are the decision makers. The males are the ones who decide. As far, even if it's shopping, even if it's finances, be it anything, it's kind of the decision is taken by the males of the house. And I have been so fortunate, so blessed that here I have a partner who not only respects my opinion and listens to my thoughts, he also adheres to a lot of them. It's not just that he's listening but doing his own. He's also taking those into himself. So he's one pure soul. I love him.